Temperatures of all hot and cold foods are taken before the service to ensure that foods are maintained at appropriate temperatures and to ensure the safety of food served to customers. The executive chef and the sous chef are responsible to ensure that the foods are served at the appropriate temperature at all times. The hotel management should develop and implement proper written kitchen standard operating procedures to ensure the same is implemented correctly throughout all the food preparation outlets. All kitchen employees or chefs who are responsible for setting up the plates and serving food must follow these procedures. Always use a calibrated thermometer to take temperatures of food products at the beginning of service. Before using the thermometer of any food item, always wipe the thermometer stem with a new alcohol wipe. Take temperatures of all hot potentially hazardous foods as soon as they are ready for service. Take temperature of all cold potentially hazardous foods as soon as they are ready for service. Record all temperatures on the food and beverage service temperature log and sign them promptly. Make sure that all temperatures are within the critical limits. For hot foods, the temperature should be above 57 Celsius. For cold foods, the temperature should be below 5 Celsius. In case hot foods are below 57 Celsius, then they must be heated to above 74 Celsius before service. In case cold foods are above 5 Celsius, then they must be chilled to below 5 Celsius. In case more than 4 hours has elapsed since the last documentation of cold food items temperature, then the same should be discarded and not served to the guest.